The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Okay, Trump supporters, we're gonna get this hashed out once and for all. So, I understand that you're used to your president making you seem like you are the best thing for America and it's only you and your interests that matter, and you know, you're so worried about all these so-called immigrants. They're not taking any jobs that you would even show up for, okay? These immigrants aren't any more of a criminal than your own son who's building pipe bombs in the basement, okay? What your president is doing, he's feeding off of the racism. The small amount of people that actually hold racism in their hearts to this day, he's feeding off of them. He's trying to create panic, trying to make you white people feel like, oh, in order for us to be relevant, we've got to follow this guy or we're just not going to have a country anymore. Come on, guys, let's face it. We stole this country from black and brown people. Raped, murdered, killed, broke up families, sold their children, and abused them even more. All in the name of this great country, America. This country has never been great. Anytime you have to oppress, murder, rape, and steal anything from anyone else in order for you to have something, does not make you great. What will make this country great is if its citizens would actually partake in the free education that this freaking country provides, the vast world of the internet, where you could get full education instead of this biased bullshit that you keep spewing out, acting like it should be everyone's life experience, because it's not. I'm also going to let you know, black and brown people cannot be racist. They are not the ones that are in power. Only people who are in power hold the privilege and power of oppressing other people. Historically in America, it's never been black and brown people. Ever. So please stop saying that a black and brown person who is definitely experiencing racism when they live, where they go, where they travel in this country. Don't call them racist because they're calling you out for your bullshit. Don't call a black or brown person racist when you're so complacent with the racism that's going on that makes you a racist. You should not be okay with the fact that police force are killing innocent black people because they fear them. But any white mass murderer gets to live, gets Burger King on his way to the station house, gets excuses made. Oh, he has a mental illness. Oh, his father was absent in the home. Do some history checks. Black and brown families have been broken up by the white system for the whole entirety of this country. You don't see them mass shooting anybody. Just saying. It's not any of those issues. It is directly a white supremacist issue. And before you white people call anyone else racist or claim someone like me is not with our own race, honey, I have never been in the habit of going along with a motherfucker that was wrong just so I could be part of the group. So you're right. If I encounter anyone that's of my race being a whole entire retarded bitch like you racist people, hell yeah, I'm calling you out on it. Gonna educate you, and if I have to fight you, I'll fight you too. I can do that too. But what we're not gonna do is try to turn tables on people that have never, ever had the position in this country to be what you are, and that's a racist piece of shit.
Viewers and subscribers, really and truly, this lady right here so surprised me with the things them what she said. And remember now, she's not a black person or brown person as she's trying to defend right about now. She's considered to be what people or some of them out there call white woman. You see what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers? And for the fact that she's pointing out that the white race is the ones that are in power, so therefore black and brown people are not to be called racist because they are not the ones that are being racist. That's what she's saying. And she's also pointing out of the fact that America was actually being stolen from these people, which are the brown people, black people, you see? So you see how it go, viewers and subscribers, the fact that she's saying these things, I have to really and truly present it for you to listen what's going on. And she's saying this because she's talking about the Trump supporters, which is Donald Trump, you know, the United States president right about now. Yeah, so there is a whole issue that is going on right about now in the United States with the whole immigration system. And there has been some changes in the whole immigration system that is now going to make it even harder for people that are trying to acquire both visiting, or should I say temporary or permanent visa, or whatsoever they call that, and for people that are trying to hold green cards. You see, my viewers and subscribers, the new rules and policies and these things that are placed into this is being said throughout enough places in the world. It's being said right about now that it is mostly targeting people that are considered to be poor, right? The rules that are now put out there from the Trump administration, it is fixed on how your life is right about now, the amount of money where you make. Because we have to talk about the visa part first. You see what I say? The visa application, in order for you to apply for the visa, you can apply for the visa, but will you get it? And how you're going to get it, it's going to depend on these things. Your income. You get what I said to you? Yeah, your income. That is probably one of the biggest part of the application, because basically if your income is not at a certain amount, you will most likely be denied, right? And your status, like your police record status, like, you know, if you have any criminal records and all these things. Now, as for the green card holders now, right? Because I'm telling you what I get from it when I read it. The green card holders, the ones that are trying to apply for the green card, it is going to affect them. It's going to be even harder for them to obtain it, or should I say get it. And for those who already have it, it is still going to affect them. That's what I get. Again, I'm telling you, that's what I get from it when I read it. I might be wrong, but these are the things that I get. If you're in the United States of America illegally, like no papers, no status whatsoever, practically is like an illegal alien. With the new policies that are added to the immigration system, like the new rules and law added to the immigration rules and law, it will make it harder or practically bar you from adjusting your status. You get what I'm saying? So basically it is saying that if you're there as an illegal alien, you will probably be there as an illegal alien until you're either found deported or something has happened. Those are the things that we get from it when I read it. Is it, my viewers and subscribers? Now, it is said that he did these things to protect United States of America, because it has been said that there are people that come over in the country, immigrants that come to the country, and they somehow find themselves on the benefits, you know, that is supposed to be of America's citizens, right? And it seems as if that these things are being abused by the people that are considered to be immigrants, or that are not from the country, are not born of America. So it is said that these new rules are being added to protect that system that is supposed to be for America's system. You see me? However, you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm going to bring to you what I go on social media. And really and truly, I just bring to you of a lady that is explaining some things, you know, and enough of the things that she's explaining is basically towards certain things that is going on with the whole immigration system, where people are being deported and all these things, and then there's now some rules and law. And she says that, you know, which is Donald Trump, which is the president of the United States, this lady just said that the president is feeding off of the racism or the racist or whatsoever that is left within the country, something like that, really and truly. But some of the things that she says is really and truly very interesting and surprising as well, because not very often you're going to hear something from a lady like her actually saying these things. Alright, but anyways, viewers and subscribers, I don't know me, I'm going to keep you up to date and post it, make you know what I go on. If you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.